Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. I have kind of a spooky story for us today, and it's all about well, it's not about a ghost, but there is a ghost in it. It's all about a skeleton. Isn't that cool? This book is called Skeleton Hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? This guy has the hiccups, and he can't get rid of them. And thank goodness he has a good friend, Ghost, who comes along and tries to help him get rid of the hiccups. What do you do when you have the hiccups? How do you get rid of them? Does someone scare you? That's one way to get rid of hiccups. Another way to get rid of hiccups is to get very silly and laugh. So maybe if you get the hiccups next time, instead of someone scaring you, maybe they could try to make you laugh, because that could get rid of your hiccups too. So you will have to read along with me to find out what happens to Skeleton and how he gets rid of his hiccups. Now, let's talk about who made this book for us first. This book was written by Margery, Cuyler. She is the author. She wrote this hilarious hiccupy story. And it is illustrated by S.D. Schindler. He drew these pictures. Look at that adorable skeleton. I like it because the pictures are not too scary. It's kind of a creepy story. It's fun to read it at Halloween, but it's not scary. And that's in part because the pictures are not scary, right? Like some people draw really scary pictures. I do not like those kind of books. We are reading a fun, silly book about this silly skeleton who gets the hiccups. Yes? Okay, are you ready to read it together now? Okay, come on, join me. Skeleton Hiccups. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Took a shower, brushed his teeth, polished his bones, carved a pumpkin, raked some leaves, played with Ghost. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said, boo, to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed, the hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray. The end. Oh no, boys and girls. Has that ever happened to you where you had those hiccups and they wouldn't go away? Oh my goodness. Skeleton just needed to be scared. And who scared Skeleton the most? Himself, right? He saw himself in the mirror and he got so very scared. What a silly story for this spooky time of year at Halloween. Good thing his good friend Ghost was there to scare the hiccups right out of him. Happy, spooky Halloween to you, and I hope it will be hiccup free.
Thanks for watching. If you love this book and want a copy of your very own, you can get one at the link below. If you had fun reading along with me, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other videos where I read books aloud just for you. I hope I'll see you guys soon and you'll come back and read with me again next time. Bye!